Everyone, and welcome to Lesson 10. That's it, Lesson 10, you've arrived. Lesson 10 of Chinese from Zero for complete absolute beginners. This is our big review lesson for this series. Today, we're not learning any new words, so don't worry. We are only using what you already know from Lesson 1 to 9. You will hear and say sentences about what you want, what you have, where you are, what you do, time, days of week, how you feel, and you might be surprised how much you already know and can already use in Chinese. Before we begin, please turn on the captions in your language if you need them. The English captions are prepared by me, so YouTube can auto translate them for you. Your job is to listen. Listen, listen, listen. Repeat out loud. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And feel how the pieces fit together. So we're going to mix them up, mix all the different lessons together and create new sentences for you. If you want to clean up your sounds and tones, you can go to the next series, which is pronunciation and tone. I will be working on them from now. Let's start with some warm up using some familiar, some older words from lesson 1 and 2. 我要这个，我要这个。I want this one. 这个。我不要那个，我不要那个，我不要那个。这个 this one, 那个 that one. 我要妈妈，我不要爸爸。我要妈妈。Kids usually like to say that. 我要妈妈，我不要爸爸。I want mother. I don't want father. I just want mother. This is better, more relevant to you. 我要学中文。我要学中文。I want to study. I want to learn Chinese. 你要学中文吗？你要学中文吗？是，我要学中文。你要学中文吗？The ma is the question. Remember? Ma. 我要学中文。你是学生吗？ Are you a student? Yes, 是，我是学生。哦，不，我不是学生，我是老师。No, I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. 我是老师。是 yes, 不是 no. Good. So these were your first building blocks. Now let's bring in possessions. Again, just the small word the, and family words as well from lessons 3 and 5. 我的书，我的书 my book. 我的书，我的书包 my book bag, which is my school bag. Bag that puts books in, school bag. 我的书包，他是我爸爸，他是我爸爸。He is my father. 我不要爸爸 I don't want father. 她是我妈妈，她是我妈妈。我要妈妈。他是我哥哥，他是我哥哥。他不是我哥哥，他是我弟弟，他是我弟弟。哥哥 my older brother. 弟弟 my younger brother. 他是老师 he is a teacher. 他不是学生，他不是学生。He's not a student, he's a teacher. Now let's use numbers, measure words. To have, 我有 to have from lesson 6. Listen and repeat. 我有一个书包 I have one school bag. 我有一个书包。我有两个弟弟 I have two younger brothers. 我有三个妹妹 I have three sisters, three younger sisters. 我有 一个哥哥 I have one older brother. 你有哥哥吗？你有哥哥吗？ You have brother 吗 or not? Do you have a brother? Do you have brothers? 你有哥哥吗？ That's it. Now we move on to location and action. With the word 在, remember that? Just a small word as well. 在,我在, I'm present. 我在家, I'm at home. 我在商店, I'm at the shops. And 明天, 昨天, tomorrow, yesterday. 今天, today. 明天他在商店. Tomorrow he's going to the shops. 商店。我在中国. I'm in China. 我在中国。昨天我在中国. Yesterday I was in China. Today I'm not. 昨天我在中国。今天我不在中国。我在吃饭。我在吃饭。I'm eating. I'm eating lunch. I'm eating food. I'm eating rice. 我在吃饭。现在我在吃饭。现在 right now I'm eating. 现在在他在听音乐。He's listening to music. He's listening now to music. He's now listening to music. 他在听音乐。Take a pause if you need. You have done a bit of things. You can stop here, rewind, listen to it again before you move on to the next part. The next part will be fun. That's where we mix things up together. Now we come to the fun part. Let's mix the words from different lessons together. For example, words from lesson 8 with location, action patterns, time words. So first listen carefully and repeat. And you did learn about the days of the week, so let's use them again. 星期五我工作，工作忙。星期五 Friday 5, so that's Friday. 我工作，工作 I'm working, I work. So I work on Friday. 工作忙 Work is busy. 工作忙 So 星期五 So that's one word. 星期五 So you have to say it in one breath. 星期五星期五我工作 So 星期五我工作工作忙 I work on Friday. Work is busy. 星期六我不工作我休息 Saturday I don't work. I rest. 星期六我不工作 I don't work. 我休息 I rest. 星期六我不工作我休息。星期天我在家我空我休息。星期天 Sunday On Sunday I'm at home. 我在家我空 I'm free. 我休息 I rest. Now we review the daily time expressions and the feelings from lessons 8 and 9. So repeat slowly. 星期三我工作。星期三我工作。Wednesday I work. 上午我忙，下午空。上午我忙，下午我空。In the morning, I'm busy. In the afternoon, I'm free. 忙 busy, 空 free. 上午 morning, 下午 afternoon. So 下午我空，我吃饭。下午我空，我吃饭。In the afternoon, I'm free. I eat. What are you eating? Your lunch, obviously. 我吃饭。Now, 晚上我在家。晚上我在家。In the evening, I'm at home. After work, of course. 晚上我在家。今晚我累。Tonight, I'm tired. 我累。今晚我累。今天我很忙。Today, I'm very busy. 今天我很忙。明天我空。我要休息。明天 tomorrow, I'm free. I want to rest. Because 今天我很忙。Today I'm very busy. Tomorrow I'm free, so I want to rest. 今天我很忙。明天我空。我要休息。Now let's build a few short questions and answers like real conversations. Question, answer. You remember that comes from lesson 1 to 9 too. Everything comes from lesson 1 to 9. And remember the word ma. It turns a statement into a question. 你今天忙吗？你今天忙 is you're busy. 你今天忙吗？ Are you busy today? 我今天很忙。That's my answer. 我今天很忙。I'm very busy today. 今天很忙。你明天有空吗？你明天有空 That's you're free tomorrow. 你明天有空吗？ Are you free tomorrow? 明天我有空。明天我有空。Yes, tomorrow I am free. I have free. 我有空 meaning I am free. 你现在在家吗？你现在在家吗？ Are you at home now? 是 Yes, 我现在在家。不是 No, 我在商店。No, I'm at the shops. 我在商店。你今天累吗？ Are you tired today? 你今天累吗？你今天累吗？我今天累，我要休息。I'm tired today. I want to rest. Now let's create one longer mini conversation using only what you've already know. Listen to the whole thing first and then we'll repeat line by line. 你星期六忙吗？星期六上午我忙，下午我有空。今晚我在家。是，今晚我在家。你今晚在家吗？你今晚在家吗？是，我今晚在家。我今晚不忙。我累。你现在在做什么？你现在在做什么？我现在在听音乐。Now listen again and I'll explain each sentence one by one. 你星期六忙吗？ Are you busy on Saturday? 星期六 is the sixth day, that's Saturday. 你星期六忙吗？ Busy. Are you busy on Saturday? 星期六上午我忙，下午我有空。So on Saturday morning I'm busy, afternoon I'm free. 星期六上午我忙，下午我空。你今晚在家吗？你今晚在家吗？是，我今晚在家。Are you at home tonight? Yes, I'm at home tonight. 你今晚在家吗？是，我今晚在家。我今晚不忙，不累。Tonight I'm not busy. I'm not tired. 你今晚在做什么？ What are you doing tonight? 你今晚在做什么？ What are you doing Tonight, 我今晚在听音乐. Tonight, I'm listening to music. So you see, you can listen, you can understand, you can now practice to say what you want, what you have, about your family, where you are, what you're doing, the time, the day, and how busy or tired you are. So let's finish with this. So let's finish with this one final review. So repeat after me, nice and steady. 我要学中文. Your turn. 我要学中文. 学我要学中文. In one breath. 我要学中文. 我在家. 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 I'm at home. I'm at home. 今天我很忙. 今天我很忙. Today I'm very busy. 今天我很忙. 明天我有空. 明天我有空. Tomorrow I'm free. 明天我有空. 星期一我工作. 星期一我工作. On Monday I work. 星期一我工作. 工作. 星期六星期六我休息. 我休息. I rest on Saturday. 星期六我休息. 今晚我累. 我累. 我要休息. 今晚我累. 很累. 累. 我要休息. 我要休息. Tonight I'm tired. I want to rest. Are you tired? 你累吗? See, you can make your sentence yourself. 你累吗? 我累. After this lesson, I'm sure you are 累. 你要休息. You want to rest. You have now completed the first Chinese from Zero series. Watch out for the next one. Lessons 11 to 20. So this is 1 to 10. And you've learned to listen first, speak out loud, build real sentences, short sentences, but step by step. Repeat these lessons a few times, go back to them, and speak with me. Your foundation in Mandarin will become strong. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud. That's the most important. I'll see you in the next series. Meanwhile, look at the pronunciation and tone series that will help you sharpen your tones and pronunciation of the words and learn the Chinese alphabet, which is very, very different from the English alphabet.